Butterflies, nature's fragile artists of colorful, silent transformation. Butterflies are among Earth's most enchanting creatures, with over 20,000 species gracing every continent except Antarctica. These delicate insects play crucial roles in pollination and serve as indicators of ecosystem health. This comprehensive guide explores their evolution, anatomy, life cycle, migration patterns, ecological importance, and conservation. Taxonomy and evolution. Scientific classification. Kingdom, Animalia. Phylum, Arthropoda. Class, Insecta. Order, Lepidoptera. Subgroups. Rhopalocera, butterflies. Heterocera, moths. Evolutionary history. First appeared 56 million years ago, after flowering plants. Evolved from nocturnal moth ancestors. Developed color vision and daytime activity patterns. Co-evolved with flowering plants for pollination. Major butterfly families. Nymphalidae, brush-footed butterflies. Largest family, 6,000 species. Reduced front legs, appear to have 4 legs. Examples, monarch, painted lady, peacock. Habitats, worldwide, diverse environments. Purity, whites and yellows. Predominantly white or yellow or orange colors. Pest species to cruciferous crops. Examples, cabbage white, clouded yellow. Habitats, fields, gardens worldwide. Lycaenidae, gossamer winged butterflies. Small size, often metallic colors. Includes blues, coppers, hair streaks. Examples, blue morpho, Carner blue. Habitats, often near ant colonies, mutualistic relationships. Papilionidae, swallowtails. Large, colorful with tail-like extensions. Caterpillars have osmeterium, defensive organ. Examples, eastern tiger swallowtail, birdwings. Habitats, woodlands, tropical forests. Hesperiidae, skippers. Thick-bodied, hooked antennae. Fast, erratic flight pattern. Examples, silver-spotted skipper. Habitats, grasslands, open areas. Rhyodinidae, metal marks. Often have metallic wing spots. Primarily tropical distribution. Examples, blue metal mark. Habitats, neotropical forests. Anatomy and physiology. Wing structure. Scale-covered membranes, thousands per wing. Color production. Pigments, melanins, pterins. Structural colors, light refraction. Venation patterns used for species identification. Sensory systems. Compound eyes, see UV light and polarized patterns. Antennae, detect pheromones and air currents. Proboscis, coiled drinking tube for nectar, up to 7 cm long. Flight mechanics. Wing beat frequency, 5 to 12 beats per second. Flight speed. Average, 12 km per hour. Fastest, skippers 60 km per hour. Maneuverability, can fly backward in some species. Life cycle, complete metamorphosis. Egg stage. Laid on host plants. Shapes vary, spherical, ribbed, barrel-like. Hatching time, 3 to 14 days, species dependent. Larval stage, caterpillar. Growth, increases mass up to 10,000 x. Molting, 4 to 5 instars before pupation. Defense mechanisms. Camouflage. Toxins, example milkweed caterpillars. False eyes pots. Pupal stage, chrysalis. Transformation period, 10 to 30 days. Jade necklace stage, visible developing wings. Camouflage strategies. Leaf mimicry. Gold speckles, reflects light. Adult stage, imago. Lifespan, 1 week to 12 months, varies by species. Primary functions, mating and egg-laying. Global distribution and habitats. Habitat preferences. Woodland butterflies. Preferred habitat, deciduous forests with dappled sunlight. Adaptations, camouflaged underwings, shade tolerance. Examples, speckled wood, purple emperor. Key needs, tree sap, rotting fruit, sunlit clearings. Grassland or meadow species. Preferred habitat, open fields with wildflowers. Adaptations, fast flight, bright colors for mate attraction. Examples, meadow brown, common blue. Key needs, nectar plants, tall grasses for larvae. Wetland butterflies. Preferred habitat, marshes, bogs, riverbanks. Adaptations, darker colors for heat absorption. Examples, marsh fritillary, large copper. Key needs, moisture-loving host plants, willow, violets. Mountain or alpine species. Preferred habitat, high-altitude slopes. Adaptations, hairy bodies, dark colors. Examples, alpine blue, mountain clouded yellow. Key needs, short-growing nectar plants, rock shelters. Desert butterflies. Preferred habitat, arid scrublands. Adaptations, pale colors, heat-reflecting scales. Examples, desert orange tip, sandhill skipper. Key needs, drought-resistant flowers, morning moisture. Tropical forest species. Preferred habitat, rainforest canopies. Adaptations, iridescent colors, large wings. Examples, blue morpho, glass swing. Key needs, continuous bloom cycles, tree sap flows. Urban or garden butterflies. Preferred habitat, parks, gardens, wastelands. Adaptations, generalist feeding habits. Examples, cabbage white, red admiral. Key needs, nectar plants, sheltered egg-laying sites. Migration patterns. Monarch butterfly. 4,800 kilometers migration, Canada to Mexico. Multi-generational journey. Painted lady. 14,000 kilometers round trip, Europe to Africa. Fastest known insect migration. Feeding and pollination. Dietary preferences. Adults, nectar, tree sap, rotting fruit. Caterpillars, host plant leaves, often species specific. Pollination role. 30% of food crops depend on butterfly pollination. Preferred flowers. Flat-topped clusters. Bright colors, especially purple or yellow. Daytime blooming. Defense mechanisms. Predator avoidance. Camouflage, leaf or wing pattern mimicry. Chemical defenses, toxins from host plants. Eyespots, startle predators, example peacock butterfly. Mimicry systems. Bachion, harmless species mimic toxic ones. Malarian, multiple toxic species share warning colors. Ecological importance. Food web roles. Prey for birds, bats, spiders. Indicator species, sensitive to environmental changes. Plant coevolution. 30 million years of mutual adaptation with flowers. Specialized relationships, example yucca plants and yucca moths. Cultural significance. Symbolism worldwide. Ancient Greece, Psyche, soul, depicted with butterfly wings. China, symbol of love and immortality. Native American, represent transformation and rebirth. Scientific contributions. Study of mimicry helped develop evolutionary theory. Climate change indicators through range shifts. Conservation status and threats. Major threats. Habitat loss, agriculture, urbanization. Pesticides, neonicotinoids. Climate change, altered migration timing. Protection efforts. Butterfly gardens, planting native species. Protected corridors for migratory species. Citizen science, example monarch watch tagging. Conclusion, guardians of biodiversity. Butterflies are not only symbols of beauty and transformation but also essential contributors to our ecosystem. Through their role in pollination and their sensitivity to environmental changes, they help maintain biodiversity and signal the health of natural habitats. Protecting butterflies means preserving nature's delicate balance and embracing the wonder of life's continuous cycle. Butterflies are self-propelled flowers.